Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Sunday Night Scott Sports 101 Sunday Night Football postgame show. Well, the Dallas Cowboys beat the Philadelphia Eagles 37-10 tonight at AT&T Stadium in Big D, Dallas, Texas. Philadelphia struggled offensively and defensively, and just was not a good night for the Eagles or for Eagles quarterback Carson Wentz. The Eagles fumbled the ball right off the bat in the first quarter, and the Cowboys recovered the ball and scored their first touchdown of the game. It was 7-0 Cowboys in the first. Then the Eagles fumbled again, and the Cowboys recovered the ball again, and they scored their second TD of the game, and it was 14-0. Then the Eagles finally got on the board, and it was 14-7. Then in the second quarter, the Cowboys scored two more touchdowns. In the second quarter, it was 27-7. Cowboys at halftime. This is one of those games where it just was not going the Eagles' way, and it was a long night for them. The Eagles kicked a field goal in the third, and it was 27-10 Cowboys lead. Then the Cowboys took a big lead in the fourth by scoring two more TDs, and it was 37-10. And the Cowboys had chances but could not capitalize on it, and they just did not do anything right in this game tonight. And by far, and in the final seconds, all the Cowboys had to do was just take knees, and that just was that, because it just was not a good night for the Eagles. And so the Cowboys get the win, 37-10, and Dallas goes to 4-3, Eagles to 3-4. This is one of those games where it was a bit one-sided, and the Cowboys just had their way tonight and had the Eagles' number. And I gotta just give credit to where credit is due. I gotta tip my hat to the Dallas Cowboys. They were the ones that really, it was just their game right from the get-go of all this. They just could not be stopped tonight, and the Eagles were not able to stop the Cowboys at all tonight. And they just, their running game was not good. Their passing game was not good. And I feel the two fumbles in the first quarter, that's what did the Eagles in. Dak Prescott did throw an interception, and that was in the first quarter, but that was the only interception he threw. And also the turnover on downs the Eagles had, that really did the Eagles in as well. And I think it just was not a good night for the Eagles, and they're going to really regroup to beat their next opponent next week. The opponent they play next week. And right now it's time to give out some game balls. First one, Dak Prescott, 21 of 27 carries and attempts, 239 yards, one touchdown, one interception. Ezekiel Elliott, 22 carries, 111 yards, one touchdown, one interception. Amari Cooper, 5 receptions, 106 yards. So there you have it. This was one of those weeks where there weren't too many upsets, and I took the Cowboys and I won on that one, and my brother-in-law lost. Right now, I am 7-6, and my brother-in-law is 8-5. But it looks like, because we both have New England for tomorrow night's game, and it looks like my brother-in-law is going to win the pick, so I will end up dropping another loss this week, and I will go to 2-2-3, and my brother-in-law will go to 3-2-3. That's what he will do. So that will take care of that. That'll hopefully do it for this week's picks. But the New England and the Jets will battle it out tomorrow at MetLife Stadium in New York. And the Browns are getting ready to take on the Pats, the New England Patriots, who are undefeated right now at 6-0, next Sunday in Week 8. And hopefully we need to beat the Patriots, boys, and go to 3-5. That's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 Sunday Night Football postgame show. I'll be back with the Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football pregame show before the game on the postseason, the post-game show after the Patriots-Jets game is concluded. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.